Adigun, ọmọ tí a dì fún gígùn, the child who was born prepared for a straight life of success. Let us go into the breakdown of that very unique Oriki. Adigun. The key words there are the words di and gun. What does the word di mean? It simply means to bind, to have something well bound. Of course, by tying. Di means to tie something, to make something very firm and tight, to make something look very smart, firm, prepared. Which is why the Yoruba word for preparation or rehearsal is idira, kadi, ara, to bind up your body and make sure it isn't loose. So that is that for di. Now, what about gun? Firstly, this is a word that simply means to pierce. When you pierce the earth with a piece of iron, for instance, like a peg, the iron has gun the earth. Gun is what an iron does, which is why the word is used for Ogun, the Yoruba deity of iron. Now, when a piece of iron pierces through the earth, that piece of iron becomes firmly rooted. It becomes straight. It becomes established. And it is from these qualities that we have gotten the other extended meanings of the word gun. Gun in Yoruba, apart from the act of piercing, can also mean to be firmly rooted, to be well established, to be perfect, to be strong, to be straight. That is why we have names like Mayegun, Enito Muayegun. We have names like Ademulegun. Royalty makes the land straight. Royalty perfects the land. Ademulegun. The a that starts that word is a noun maker that can be used to mean he who, or the child who shall. Therefore, who is this child called Adigun? An Adigun is a child born prepared for a life of perfection. Ọmọ tí a dì fún gígùn. This is a name given to a child whose affairs shall be well planned and as a result, successful. The child who has been bound up in heaven to be erect even before he was born. Ọmọ tí a ti dì fún ìgbé ayé tó gúnrégé. Adigun, a ti dì ká tó bí. He was well prepared, bound up, and then he was born to be firmly rooted on earth. He was born to walk erect. He was born into a life of perfection. This is an Oriki given to children who are believed to go into perfectionists. Perfectionists, not in the negative sense of the word, but to connote that ọmọ yìí máa gbé ayé tó gúnrégé, máyégún lọmọ yìí ń ṣe. He shall be a man of mental and physical strength, strong-willed, and very disciplined. Adigun, ògbégbá orókè ní ìdíje àwọn akínkanjú. Irọ́ ikú ni wọ́n ń pa mádàá. Irọ́ ogbó ni wọ́n ń pa mọ́rin. Gbọ̀ngbọ̀n òkè, òkè gbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Adigun was born prepared to be firmly rooted like iron in the living of a perfect life. Wàá Ṣere.